guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just bought this X5, and one thing I noticed is these exhaust tips aren't the best here as far as cleaning. And I purchased this car in Minnesota, so that will explain. Obviously they're harsh winters, haven't had a chance to really get the car washed, but now I'm here in California. Decided to do a quick detail on this car, and one of the main things on this is just the exhaust tips. So I picked up, or I actually have on hand, is a bottle of Barkeeper's Friend, and I always keep this on hand for kitchen stuff. But I learned this on a car forum, probably I would say probably about 10-12 years ago. It was on Honda Accord forum, and I couldn't get my exhaust tips cleaned, and this was what these guys had recommended, and I've been using it ever since. So let's go ahead and get started. Shake it up, and they make it like a powder form. If you use the powder, you just kind of mix it with water, make your own paste, and rub it in. This is a liquid, so I'm not sure how effective this is going to be, but give it a shot. See here, I already said that it's not, it is taking it off, but I would think the paste would be a little more effective. And then polish it up, I have Mother's mag and aluminum polish. So that's how So as you can see here, it is a big difference than what it was before, and from a distance you can see just how shiny it is. Now you compare it to this one here.
Get the outer first, I'll push it first and go from there. So much is accumulating.
Well, that's it. That'll do it for this part of the channel, and I'm gonna hit some more of these details here. I can see some dirt here and underneath, but thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.